Hello. In this demo video, I'm going to show you how the Universal AI app works. Universal AI is the first to market AI app that allows you to search, unlock, and activate any AI model in the market and access it from a single dashboard. No API costs, no monthly fees, no hassle. To get started, all you have to do is click on the AI Models menu. Right here, you'll see tons of different powerful AI tools powered by top-tier AI models in the market. Alternatively, you can also search, unlock, and activate any premium AI models you want. Just input your prompt or use the Siri-like voice command, whatever you want to achieve. For example, I want to create an AI influencer video. Once you input the keyword or speak your need, Universal AI will search for and unlock different AI models to help you achieve your task. Here's one AI model for AI influencer video powered by HeyGen. You can click on it to create your AI influencer video right away inside the Universal AI app without paying for any API or monthly fees. There are also different AI models you can use for various tasks. Okay, let's check another example. I want to clone my voice. Amazing. This will bring up different premium AI models for voice-related tasks. As you can see, text-to-speech, this is powered by OpenAI, Azure, and GCP. Instant voice cloning, powered by Stable Diffusion and ElevenLabs. Audio mixing and speech-to-text tools. Just click on the one you want. Let's try voice cloning. And right here, you can easily clone your voice. Another prompt. I want to create a stunning website. Universal AI will activate the perfect AI model to create beautiful and stunning websites. You can also search for, I want to create chatbots, and Universal AI will give you different AI models for that. AI virtual assistants powered by OpenAI, Google Bard, Meta AI, and Claude. This is for creating ChatGPT-like AI chatbots, and other AI tools are also listed. Next example, I want to create images. Universal AI will activate the perfect AI models for image creation, like prompt-to-image, AI image generator, graphics and logo creator, photo studio, and more. Or you can type or speak, I want to create social media designs, and you'll get the perfect AI model for that. I want to write code for my app, and Universal AI will show you models to write clean code in any programming language powered by OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini. Another prompt. I want to record a walkthrough tutorial video, and you'll get the perfect AI model to do that and export your recording in seconds. Another prompt. I want to create a business card, and the AI model for business card creation will pop up. You can easily create your business card directly within the Universal AI software. So whatever you have in mind, whether it's an e-com store, a 3D box shot, talking head avatar video, or anything else, just input your prompt or use your voice and you'll get access to the premium AI model to get the job done, all directly from Universal AI. Remember, no API costs, no monthly fees, no hassle. This is the one app you need to start getting results without paying a penny for AI models. Thanks for watching. See you inside.